आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज़ नाउ 24/7। ताज़ा खबरों के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहें।
इसरो के अध्यक्ष वी नारायणन कहते हैं, उनके निर्देश और दृष्टिकोण के आधार पर हम चंद्रयान 4 मिशन शुरू करने जा रहे हैं। हम वीन्स ऑर्बिटर मिशन शुरू करने जा रहे हैं। हम 2035 तक BAS भारतीय अंतरिक्ष स्टेशन नामक एक अंतरिक्ष स्टेशन स्थापित करने जा रहे हैं और पहला मॉड्यूल 2028 तक लॉन्च किया जाएगा। प्रधानमंत्री ने NGL नेक्स्ट जनरेशन लॉन्चर को मंजूरी दे दी है। 2040 तक भारत चंद्रमा पर उतरेगा और हम उसे सुरक्षित वापस लाएंगे। इस प्रकार 2040 तक भारतीय अंतरिक्ष कार्यक्रम दुनिया के किसी भी अन्य अंतरिक्ष कार्यक्रम के बराबर होगा।
That speaks volume. When it comes to Honorable Prime Minister of our country, he is a different person with great tangential thinking. The vision, direction given by him, based on his vision, we are going to have a Chandrayaan 4 mission. We are going to have a Venus orbiter mission. We are going to have a space station called BAS. By 2035, India will have a space station on its own, and the first module will be lifted off by 2028. And he has given approval for a NGLV, next generation launcher. And next generation launcher configuration little bit we have modified. The first launcher which lifted off from Indian soil, the SLV-3, the project director was none other than APJ Abdul Kalam, and done under the leadership role of Professor Satish Dhawan. That capability of the vehicle was hardly 35 kg to low Earth orbit. I don't underestimate capability. At that point of time, it was a great capability. And the lift-off mass of the rocket was 17 tons. From that, we have moved gradually, step by step. Today, we have conceived a rocket to take 80,000 kg to low Earth orbit, and a 40-story height rocket with 2,600-ton capability, lift-off mass capability, powered by 27 240-ton LOX methane engine. What a significant and great progress. And dear friends, lot of new technologies we have demonstrated this year. The semi-cryo propulsion system, we have made breakthrough. The test stand was declared to the country by Honorable Prime Minister of India in 2023. We have completed almost 7 tests in that test stand. High thrust electric propulsion, lot of things are done. And finally, yes, satellite launch vehicle, everything is meant for application for the common man of this country. And application, we are doing outstanding work. There are 55 applications. And we had a national meet after 10 years. Yesterday we have concluded, and that has given a direction, guideline for the application, including sat communication, satellite navigation, and earth observation for the country. We conducted based on the direction of Honorable Prime Minister Chintan Shivir. He has given the vision for 2047. We have written the roadmap how to achieve that vision. Also how to take the space program up to 1962. Being the 100 years of ISRO, Indian Space Program. We have charted out the entire program. Today, everything is going to be released here. The theme of today's space program, Space Day celebration, from Aryabhatta to Gaganyaan, which pays tributes to the progress achieved by our ancient astronomers and mathematicians. Over the decades, we have mastered a lot of technologies in the space program. In nutshell, under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister and able guidance of our Minister of State, and we have got the principal scientific advisor to PM. He gives then and there necessary direction and guideline. Also, the Space Commission members are here. IIC Director is here. And Kiran Kumar sir could not participate. And with all their guideline, vision, and the strong foundation made by the former leaders of ISRO, and the contribution of each and every one of you, I would like to say by 2040, India will be, based on the direction of Prime Minister, we are going to land on the moon, the crewed mission will be on the moon, and we are going to bring back safely. Thereby, 2040, Indian space program will be in par with any other spacefaring nations, in terms of launcher, in terms of human spaceflight program, in terms of application, in terms of satellite.
आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।